friends, welcome to my channel Click to Learn. I am your friend Ane and I will today tell you about the poem How Beautiful is the Rain. It is a very melodious poem written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. I hope you will like the poem and it is full of beauty and rhythm. So without further delay, let's get started. How Beautiful is the Rain is a very melodious poem that was written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. It is a very melodious poem that is filled with beauty and rhythm. It describes the welcome rain after the very hot summer. It describes how the people welcome it and how are their feelings. So, in this poem, Longfellow has written that the ill man that looks from his chamber is feeling very relieved. The ill man is sick and his temperature is starting to go down, and he is starting to feel fine in his fevered brain. He is liking the rain, and he is seeing the schoolboys who are playing in the front yard. The schoolboys came after their school ended, and they are happily welcoming the rain after the hot and fiery summer. And all the people are welcoming the rain with open hands. And the schoolboys are also sailing paper boats in small puddles which we find in our surroundings after the rainy season. In India, then after that, the farmer also sees had his pasture in which the grains have their tops bended to sustain the weight of the beating drops which are coming from the air. The farmer knows that the welcome rain will bring him good crop, so he will get a good profit. So, and there is also the oxen which also are welcoming the rain. But how? They cannot speak. They are welcoming the rain by their own language. The oxen which were day before toiling in the beating sun, now they are standing patiently, and they with the shiny lustrous eyes, they are seeming to welcome rain more than the man's spoken words. And now this in the India, mostly the rain happens in the monsoon season, which is in the months of which starts at the end of July and ends at the end of September. In India, everybody is also welcomes the rain. In my surroundings, boys come out to play in the rain, which brings them relief from the hot summer. Females, elders drink tea in their house, and females make hot pakoras, which all the members eat with increasing relish. And they all like the rain. It brings a coolness in the surroundings. All the surroundings are smelling of the smoking smells of the clove smell, and it also makes ourselves happy to get relief from the hot summer. We all don't like hot summer. It brings us very much pain, and especially for females who work in the kitchen. And they all like the rain when it comes. We all welcome it with open hearts and hands. I hope you like the video. I have read this poem in my textbook, and I decided it to share with you. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and to get more interesting stories and videos, and press the bell icon to stay tuned. Thank you for watching.